Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and thank you for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate that. And if this is your first time here, mm, 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 you've been missing out on a lot of good goodies that I put out. So if this is your first time, I'm glad you're here, but go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. That way you won't miss out on any of the good goodies that I put out on a pretty regular basis to help people to make money online. So what are we going to talk about today? One of the things that I hear a lot from people is I can't get any leads. I can't get any body coming to my offers, and so that's a big problem. If you have a brick and mortar type business, people drive by and they can see your business. But when you're online, you've got to be able to attract people to your offer, attract people to your program. Now, one of the things that I find to be very effective are traffic exchanges and Safelists. And many people say, no, those are trash things. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. It, it, it can be, they could be right if you're not using the right tools and using it the right way. Okay. So there really is a science, if you would, using traffic exchange. And I'm going to show you uh, about it now. So let me do a screen share. And one of the things that I find with really any type of advertising, but especially with traffic exchanges, people are fishing the wrong way. All right. This guy here loves fishing. By the way, I do too. But he loves fishing. And he's fishing in an empty bathtub. Look how excited he is. I mean, his eyes are popped out because he knows he's going to get some fish on his line and he's going to have dinner. No matter how much he fishes in that tub, he's not going to catch anything. One, because it's the wrong place to fish, right? And two, even if he was in a lake, if he's not using the right tools, it's not going to work. So let's talk about traffic exchange. 99.9% of the people that are on traffic exchanges already have a business. They already have a program or a product that they are promoting. They're really not looking for another program or another product. They're looking to draw people to their program and their products. They want people to go to those traffic exchanges and see their offer and come to their page. So if you're promoting your product on the traffic exchanges, you're promoting your offers on traffic exchanges, it's not necessarily likely that you're going to get good results from that. Okay. But what are people on traffic exchanges looking for? Traffic, right? More traffic. So the way to get people to come to you is to offer those on traffic exchanges more traffic. All right. And then when they come to you, what you have to offer them for traffic, then you're able to provide whatever you offer in traffic, as well as your product or services. So, for example, let me show you this here. If you were to promote something like this on a traffic exchange, okay, keeping in mind again that people there are looking for traffic. They're looking to draw people to their offer. So you're promoting to them a way to draw traffic. All right. So what would they be getting? They would be getting, different traffic sources that they can use to draw people to their business. But here's what the attractive things: they get solo ads for free. Okay, they get the codes for the solo ads for free. All right. They get an ebook that talks more about how to draw traffic to their line, to their offers. Okay. Um, so all this is available to them, and you can offer this to them. And when you offer this to them, you're capturing them on your email list. and then you can offer your products to them. So let's look at what the capture page looks like. This is a capture page. So this is what you would promote on the traffic exchange, okay? Remember, you're trying to draw them to you with the ultimate goal of getting them to see your offer or your promo. So you promote this on a traffic exchange, promote this on Safelists, and what do they see? They're going to see get free promo codes for 120 solo ads. That'll save them a lot of money, okay, on 6 of the popular traffic exchange sites, and these are the sites they would get it to. And get an ebook plus full training inside. They click on it. When they click on it, they enter their information. And when they enter their information, you capture their name and email. And on your email autoresponder series, then you're able to promote your offer for your traffic. That is a very effective thing. Very, very effective. Now, let me go back to the thank you page. Okay. This is the thank you page. Now, besides being able to have the people on your list now promoting your offer because they want your traffic, also, you can become affiliates for these programs right here. And so these are traffic programs, all your traffic programs. And if you become an affiliate and they join, guess what? You get commission from that. And on these 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 traffic exchanges, you put in your affiliate link for these here. And so when they join, and if they upgrade or make any purchases, you also get commissions, right? And this part here, you can customize. You can actually put in your business, your offer in here. But these are also additional traffic sites that are in there. And these you put in, and again, these are your affiliate URLs, okay, that are there. They can download this ebook. I'm going to tell you something about that ebook in a minute. They can download this ebook here and gives them more tips and hits on how to use traffic exchange and how to promote. Okay. So it's a great system. It's a great system. It's a great way to attract people to your offers, provide them some value, then they see your offer. Now, this ebook, what I did with this ebook, this is it here. See, they click on it, they download it, and it's a generic, okay? But what I did is I modified it, okay? I put my information in there, and there's a link to my Facebook page. There's some good material in this ebook also. But what I also did is I added my links in the ebook too, like to lead sleep, right? And then what I did at the very end of the ebook, I modified it again. It's a long ebook, right? Okay, it's very long, which is good, but it's got a lot of good material in there. But what I did at the very end of the ebook, I'm trying to get there. I'm on page 25, it's 43 pages. All right, we'll get there. Actually, I can do it this way. Okay. And what I talked about at the end, if I can get there. Okay, there. Finally. Okay. After I see all this traffic, I still added in some of the things that I promote. All right. So I said programs that have recurring income are best to promote. For example, if someone buys into your program, as long as they stay, the year pay month to month. So I'm promoting it, talking about it. And then I put in, Live Good is one of mine. They can take a free tour of Live Good prosperity marketing system, Nexus Snap. So by using this system, okay, by using this system, it gives you the opportunity to make additional income through the traffic exchanges, but also to promote your own businesses. So that's truly how you use effectively traffic exchanges and Safelists, by providing traffic to them. Now, if you want to use that, you may have your own ways of providing traffic to people, that's fine. But if you want to use what I just showed you, because you can duplicate and replicate and use the same system without no problem, I have the link below. You can go ahead and click on that link, and you can duplicate the system and take advantage of it. Okay. So I hope you got something out of this today. And again, you gotta bring people to your eyeballs. So traffic exchange, eyeballs to your site. And traffic exchange is really a good way to do that. All right. So hopefully you got something out of this today. And if you did, I really would appreciate if you click on the like button. And if you want to comment, I welcome comments, good, bad, or indifferent. I will respond to you. And if you really, 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 really liked it, share it with somebody so they can benefit from it too. If you're not subscribed yet, now is the time. Click on the subscribe button below, and that way you won't miss out on anything that I put out in the future. So you take care, my friends, and you have a foxtastic day.